What's up guys, this is Hdr and right now I'm taking this video from the front facing camera of Huawei Nova 5T. It comes with 32 megapixel front facing camera and it is capable of recording 1080p resolution videos. For videos we got beautification mode along with time-lapse feature. But if you use the beautification mode for video recording, then the resolution will be reduced to 720p HD only. For video recording, there is also Hdr mode provided on Huawei Nova 5T front-facing camera. For pictures, we got the AI mode front-facing flash along with the portrait mode. Portrait mode is the combination of beautification and the bokeh effect. So here you can customize and select different kinds of bokeh effect that you can use on your front-facing camera images. So right now I'm just trying to give you an idea that if you are going to use Huawei Nova 5T for taking selfies or videos, so how good or bad it's going to be in terms of quality. So just a quick demo of the front-facing camera capability of Huawei Nova 5T. So that's all for now friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. And I'll see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.